Okay, we are here with Yelena Lukinenko. She is a ranger, level 80. Right now she is using the precursor to Chuka and Champawat, Tigress. If we zoom in close, you can see the tigers on the thing there. Let's draw that out. There we go. Alrighty then. She's a Norn. She is real big. Okay. Alright, now, here's what we're here to do today. We are here to change her weapon into the legendary Chuka and Champawat. So first we've got to go out here and we'll go to equipment and we'll take this and we will unequip it from all templates. And then we will close that, and now we have it here. Now first we've got to take off the malice and the bursting that are on it. So I'm going to take this, drag this over here, and extract. Alright, cool. Now we've got our pure Tigress again, with our Viper stats. And we're going to want to repeat here in a minute for her. Okay, so Mystic Forging. We take Tigress, Mystic Tribute, Gift of Maguma, and the Gift of Chuka and Champawat, or Champawat, and Forge. Zamaros awards you with Chuka and Champawat. And accepted. Alright. So, now, where is it? Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Let's go over to her thing here. Oh, it comes with accuracy. I should extract that before I just waste a good accuracy. Let me, actually I can just take it off, because it's a legendary. Alright. Ooh, now it's all golden. I'm gonna shoot tigers. Okay, let's add malice to this spot.
A fitting reward.
And it took off the accuracy. Good job. Yes, it is a fitting reward. Okay, and now we're gonna take bursting and put it here. There we go. Malice and bursting, and we're gonna select stats, customize. Let's jump down to the bottom. Viper. Boom. There we go. Same stats as before, but easier upgrading and everything else, just like you always get with legendaries. No, nothing is destroyed. And now we get to play with it. Alright, let's close the inventory. Let's close this. Now, let's see what we can do. Look at our footprints. We've got tiger footprints. Little claw marks everywhere. Alright, now. Ooh! I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's switch weapons and then switch back. Let's do it. Let's rotate around. Let's see. Okay, here she is with her staff. And boom! So cool. Yeah, let's look at the long shot of this if we can. Let's see. Let's zoom out some. And tigers. Like that flaming effect on her too. That's really good. Alright, let's see. Let's see it from this way. There's the tiger. Ooh! I love that so much. Oh my god. This is great. Okay. Alright, now, let's see. Let's take her somewhere dark. We're up really high and in the light. Let's see if we can find a place that's dark. And That's really... Wait, I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, let's jump down here. And we'll just float on down. See if we can make it to the bottom without hitting anything. There's a spot at the bottom that will be really good, I think. I think it'll be dark enough. Okay. I want to be on the receiving end of that. Let me see what that looks like on the other end. Alright, there's one. Alright, let's adjust the camera a little bit. Alright, 2. Okay, I wish I could only get farther back. That's really cool. Okay. Yeah, that's about as dark in here as you can get. Oh, look at the way the tigers come down into. That is so awesome. All right. Glad you could join us here. Thank you. Bye.